Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hey ForexMilitia, we have the Trademiner Picks of the week from Forex, stocks, and futures. And starting off, we have bullish euro dollar, basically the euro, 7 years, not calculated, but the win percentage is about 86%. Next, stocks, we have Travelers Company, bearish, 7 years, win percentage of 85% over the last, and probability is very low. But we're going to look for setups. We're going to see if there's any setups, any pullbacks, or any breakouts, which might give us a signal. And bullish natural gas for futures. Okay, I didn't calculate this one, but win percentage is about 80%. Okay, so let's go to the charts and check it out on the charts. Alright, so the first one was bullish euro, and we basically see that there is a pullback, but I don't see a breakout actually coming. So we're gonna have to, we'll be watching to see if there is some type of if this hits the oversold area, and we'll see if it pops back up. So we'll watch for that. And travelers, bearish. Okay, you see this is already in a downtrend, so we're going to be looking for a pullback or a breakout to the downside. We basically have this here coming up into an overbought area, so very possibly it could actually give us a signal. And the last one is bullish natural gas, and this also, there is no real signal, so we're gonna have to see this actually hit an oversold area, and then see if it'll pop back up. Alright, so now let's go into the review. And at this moment, all of the positions that I've basically taken are basically in the red right now, but the account is up to 142,000 with an equity. There's a $3,000 drawdown because of the positions that I have on. We took a trade on gold that actually went very, very nicely. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at that. And I think that's going to be the wrong chart. So let's go to this one. There it is. And this went all the way up into my take profit, and we took, let's see, first on our first target we took about 1,000, and on the second target we took about 2,600. That went very, very well, and I'll be looking to take some of these other trades during this week. We'll see how that actually works out. And so with that, I'll say knowledge is power, be power hungry, and power to the people. This is Parsival, signing out.